Everyone, I'm Gautami and this is my project for the 5-day AI Agents Intensive Capstone. Today I'm presenting Enterprise Agent Financial Auditor, an AI multi-agent system that automates end-to-end fraud investigations in the financial sector. This is the problem statement. Bank processes millions of transactions daily. Manual investigations are slow, expensive, and inconsistent, requiring analysts to manually check history, customer risk flags, and write reports. Traditional fraud AI models only tell you whether a transaction is suspicious but do not explain why, which is necessary for the auditors and regulatory compliance. I've done all the imports here. I'm using Gemini and I'm using Gemini Helper. I'm generating synthetic data set. This is a medium sized data set and profiles also um, to run easily. Transaction data set and customer profile JSON uh, things. And I'm using tools like Transaction DB tool, custom profile tool, um, rules lookup tool, those things and all. I'm using sessions, long-term memory, and observability also. Here, I'm coming to the next one. Agents, risks, evidence, analysis reports. I've created multi agents. Why these agents are necessary? Agents are the ideal solution because fraud investigation is a multi-step workflow, not a single prediction. Agents can use tools, call external services like Gemini, maintain memory, interact with the humans, and generate traceable outputs, which matches real financial auditing. Here, coming to the architecture, it's the system uses a team of four specialized agents. First one is a risk classifier agent. This is the one. It evaluates risk using rules plus Gemini reasoning. This is the evidence collector agent. Queries past transactions and customer profiles using tools. Next, coming to the next one, insight analyst agent detects behavioral fraud signals using Gemini and long-term memory. Those things are done here. Coming to the next one, report generator agent generates a final markdown investigation report using Gemini. They are orchestrated by fraud investigation pipeline, which manages sessions, memory, uh, observability, and metrics and long running operations and all. We are for evaluation. We are using Gemini as a judge. Created a report evaluator. This is the orchestration pipeline I discussed it right now. I've given the pass and resume also. This is the demo run. Here I'm using low risk example. We can see the pipeline generates a complete report with the risk justification signals and recommended action instantly. No pause required here. Coming to the high risk example, we need to give the approve. We can see here high risk transaction detected. Type approve to continue investigation. I'll type approve here. Then it will generate the fraud investigation report. Um, this pipeline passes and requires human approval before continuing matching real audit workflows. After approval, the system analyzes the evidence, generates a final report, and Gemini evaluates the quality of the report. Here we can see the matrix. Here we can find the trace table also. which is high risk, which is haste, which is needs approval, which is input approval, it is scored, those things and all. Here, coming to the result, we show the metrics such as investigation. Sorry, investigation is fully traceable with the loss addresses and reproducibility essential for enterprise compliance. Those things and here we show the metrics such as the investigation time, high risk ratio, and if not by country, we can see here those things are done in the visualization. I've added optional deployment also. Now, how to do the deployment? Given the steps for that. Here we can see the architecture also for deployment. Mm, and here is now this is the conclusion. Thank you. This project demonstrates how multi-agent system provided by Gemini can automate high stakes enterprises workflows with the transparency and explainability. We covered these many points in the topic. Thank you.